Hello everyone! In this channel, I will show you how to cook Japanese style dishes at home. To make the video simple, I made 3 rules. First of all, it has to be easy to make. I don't have a specialist skill or tool, so anyone can enjoy cooking at home by watching this video, hopefully. And secondly, it's about ingredients. These have to be readily available in the UK. So I'll be using something from Sainsbury's, Tesco, Waitrose, and so on. I'm not gonna use something imported from Japan, those expensive stuff like fatty tuna, wagyu, etc. And thirdly, it has to be something I want to eat. That's the greatest motivation for me. Okay, so I will follow these 3 rules of easy, ready, and tasty. I hope it will work. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna make gyoza. Okay. And then do that. let the water evaporate. Ta-da! That's gyoza. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! There you go. Hey. Well done. I'm impressed. Itadakimasu. Delicious. If you want to go more authentic, or you couldn't find the ingredients that I used today, or you're self-isolating, you can still shop online. I put some links below for the Asian retailers, so you can try something different today at home. Right? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Stay safe, eat healthy, and take care. See you next time.